Hi, this is a 2002 GMC Envoy, similar to the Chevy Trailblazer. And down there is the starter. Can't really see it because there's not enough light, but it's giving a problem for the owner. But it does this when you start the car. See, I think it's the right key for it. You get nothing. So I've already turned the crankshaft with the wrench. It turns really easy, so it's not locked up. So I'm going to be removing the starter. I've already got the front wheel removed, the driver's side front wheel removed. In order to reach it, then I'm going to disconnect the negative cable here. Right there, the negative cable. And get the starter out. Hopefully I have some light or something so I can show you how it's done. Okay, I took off the this inner fender plastic here to get this little space here to get to the starter. You can see right there, you see my wrench on there. There's a bolt in the back of it. It's very difficult to reach, but it takes a 15mm socket, an extension, and I got it loosened. So I just, take that bolt out, and then there's another one. That's on the outside of it that you can get to easily. That also takes a 15mm socket, and that should allow the starter to come out. Okay, and the starter, I've gotten the two cables are loose of the solenoid. I've gotten the 2 bolts. Actually, it was a nut that's in the back, so that makes it easy. It's going to make it easy to install it. And then there's a bolt on the other side of it. Can't really show you right now, but I'm going to be pulling out the starter out of the little hole there. Okay, this is the old starter. We're going to take it to the auto parts store, have it tested, and see what the results are after that. Okay, so this is the new starter. It wound up being the starter. That was the problem. That gear there was coming out, but it wasn't turning at all. That's why the car wasn't starting. So I'm going to be putting this starter in. The reversal of taking the old one out. See if I can show the still can't quite see it, but right next behind the steering gear, the steering column, there's where the starter goes. And there's a should be a thread that goes up on the one side, and you put the bolt on the bottom. It goes in here like this, and this one right here has a thread on it and a nut. And this outside one is what I was talking about, has a bolt. So I'm glad there's a nut on this side, because it'll be really hard to get the bolt up in there because it's so tight and awkward. Okay, there's the new starter. In the corner I got the what that sticker is, that red sticker. That's the starter. Got the cables hooked up. Now I'm going to connect the negative battery cable and give it a test try. It should crank right up. Okay, I'm inside the vehicle. I'm going to attempt to check the starter. And it works. That's all I need to know. So that's how I put the starter in on the 2002 GMC Envoy. Thanks for watching.